Welcome everybody here at CUNA Mutual's headquarters in Madison, Wisconsin with CUNA Mutual CEO Jeff Post. Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning, Sarah.
How's it going out here in Madison today?
Well, you know what? At least it's not snowing yet, so that's a good day in Madison.
That's right, that's right. Now I want to talk to you about a lot of different things that are occurring in the credit union movement right now. One thing in particular, and this applies to every business, is that we're all in the budget season and planning. And so what is on the pipeline for CUNA Mutual?
Well, from a budget standpoint, we sure understand it's a tough environment out there. It's a tough environment for credit unions. It's a tough environment for us. It's a tough environment for every financial services company. We believe next year our revenues will be flat to down, so our expenses will also be flat to down. We have a board meeting in November where we'll be sharing our revenue projections, and clearly the amount of top line change is really going to be dependent on whether or not we see any economic recovery, because so much of our top line revenue comes out of the member side with our Member Connect products. For consumers to start spending again is really the key variable that we're looking at.
Mm-hmm. What do you see as the top accomplishments of CUNA Mutual in the last year?
The fact of the matter is, what we're proud of is, we're still here, right? I mean, anybody who came through the 07, 08, 09 time frame from a financial services company standpoint, and is still strong is a real accomplishment. Our capital levels are right around, in some cases even above, a little bit above where they were at the beginning of the recession. It sounds a little bit strange, but a lot of our peers aren't here anymore. I remind my folks that while our results are good given today's environment, a lot of our customers are still struggling, and we need to find new ways to help them generate revenue and keep their expenses down.
Right. As you mentioned, a lot of your clients are struggling. Part of that is NCUA assessments, a large part of that possibly. How has that affected your business?
As the credit union business goes, so does our business. So, the fact of the matter is that, while we don't get assessed, we're not a credit union, obviously it has an impact on our business, because the healthier our customers are, the healthier our business is. We've been working with CUNA on doing an independent review of the legacy assets that we were asked to do by the large credit union group a while back. So what we are hoping to do is validate for credit unions, in fact, what the likely losses are out of that portfolio, and again, we're working with CUNA and NCUA to do that. So hopefully, if anything, as it relates to the corporate crisis, we'll at least try to put some certainty in place for credit union CEOs.